What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we've got the brand new Hot Wheels Street Fighter character car set. Let's go ahead and unbox it and get a closer look at it. The Street Fighter character car set includes 5 different character castings, which are all listed on the back. They include Ryu, Chun-Li, Blanca, Bison, and Vega. Although there are only 5 character cars in this set, and it does not specify if this is the Series 1 of this set, it's possible we will get a Series 2 of this set with more characters from the Street Fighter series. And let's start it off with car number 1 of 5 from this set, Ryu. And Ryu is probably the most popular Street Fighter character. There is Ryu on the card right there, big muscly guy. That's a great fighter in the game. And there is the character car of him. Let's go ahead and pop this open. We can get a nice close-up look at this car. We'll take the packaging out, and here is our car itself. You can see it follows the white with that kind of red bandana that goes around. This is almost like the spikes of his hair, which is really interesting. And I don't know if these are supposed to imitate his kind of like aggressive eyes right there, possibly. And you can see it's got the nice red chrome wheels on there. Kind of looks like a Acura NSX almost possible with that like spoiler right there in the back, but a very cool looking car. And car number 2 of 5 is Chun-Li, and check out Chun-Li. She is a fast fighter in the game if you've ever played Street Fighter. So this car does look very fast, and it's got her nice kind of like colored skirt on there. Let's go ahead and pop it open and have a look at Chun-Li. And these are very well packaged premium cars. We'll put the packaging aside right there, and there is Chun-Li. It's got the nice white wheels on there. Check out all the colors and all the kind of detail that they've got right there in the front end. That looks really, really neat. And this one looks like just an aggressive sports car. It's got like that little spoiler right there, which is kind of like the fan bottom part of her cape, but such a cool, different looking casting. And car number 3 of 5 is Blanca, and Blanca is known to throw kind of like flames out. So you can see it's kind of got like his hair with flames and stuff like that. And this one almost looks like a Volkswagen Beetle a little bit. Let's go ahead and pop it open. It's kind of like a jacked up off-road Volkswagen Beetle. Let's have a closer look at this one, and we can see here, and there it is. Yeah, see, it's got those like very aggressive kind of off-road tires on there. There it is from the front. Check this out, like totally cool looking for the Blanca type hair. They did a great job at that. That's kind of like just an interesting touch that they put onto this one, and it's got the big exhaust coming out the back. But yeah, totally like jacked up Volkswagen Beetle type of car, but I like it. I like Blanca. And car number 4 of 5 is the big bad boss of the game, Bison. And so it's got like this big jacked up like truck looking thing for Bison. You can see the aggressive look on the card right there. Let's go ahead and open up Bison and get a close-up look at what he looks like here. And yeah, this one definitely is supposedly a big, like semi-type truck looking thing with big aggressiveness on there. It's got like the cape sticking out there, which is kind of like the covering of the back bed of the truck, which is really, really neat. Big jacked up wheels and tires on here. And they almost look like they're colored, but they're not quite. Nice chrome wheels on there. Big exhaust coming out from the side. Check that aggressive look for the boss, Bison. And car number 5 of 5 from this set is Vega. And Vega in the Street Fighter series is a very agile, aggressive, speedy little character. So you can see this is like almost like an F1 type of car on there. Let's go ahead and pop open Vega and get a close-up look at there. Here he is here, Vega. All right, and Vega, he's got kind of like that hidden mask on him, so that we've got that mask that kind of overlays the front right there of the car, and you can see his 2 little eyes right there, but definitely like an F1 inspired car. You can see the big aggressive wing on the back, and these are those like super speedy wheels and tires that you can see on there. very cool looking and neat little casting. After I finished filming this video, I realized that the bottom of the Vega car actually has this little slider thing which slides out, and this is supposed to be like his leg that kind of kicks out and like trips people and hits people, which is super cool. I did not notice that when I first unboxed it, but there you go. This clip is added in here so you guys can see that little piece right there. We'll do it again. Boop, and it just pops right out just like that. And there we have all 5 cars from the Hot Wheels Street Fighter character car set. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite from this set. And don't forget to hit that like button, guys. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.